go. Okay, so here we go for the first run. You can see the lead going in here into apparently the hardest to focus on object on Earth. Here it goes. It's going to go all the way in. Stop for a moment or two. And then slowly come all the way out. You can see that starting now. Again, with a thing which apparently cannot be focused on. But you can see the lead coming out here. So that should get to the yeah, that's out now. So now I'm going to tell the robot to go back to the home position. I'm going to zoom out while I do that, but keeping the shot. There's no cut here. The robot goes back to its home position. I'm going to zoom out while it does that. Oh, maybe not. So it's back in its home position. There we go. And without a break, I'm going to tell it to do it again. Here we go, second time. And once again, inevitably have very great difficulty focusing on it, which is the bane of filming this thing, but there we go. Doing that insertion there. Second time. We'll wait for it to come out. And then we'll tell it to go home. To conclude, maybe we'll just add a third one. So I can find the mouse so I can get to my control panel. And there you go, it's come out. So now I'm going to send it home. Back to the home position. And one more time, just for good measure. What was it? Okay, the power supply's come on. The fan. It's getting tired. It's using about 24 watts of power at the moment, by the way. Okay, I think that's all the way out now. Yeah, looks good. And so we'll send it back home to its home position for a third time. And I think that's enough there. There we go, back in the home position. There's the robot in its, yeah, complete home position there. There's the pencil, and that's that.